Hi and what's up? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make cauliflower fritters, and they're going to be so delicious once you try out the recipe. So this recipe is kid friendly, and actually they're snacks. They're snacks that your children can run around while eating because they're finger food. I have washed my cauliflower, then chopped up the florets. As you can see, this is how they're looking, and I've cut into small pieces because I want my cauliflower to cook fast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium high flame, I'm going to be boiling my cauliflower in salty water. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, add my cauliflower florets, and let them boil for around 4 to 5 minutes until tender. My cauliflower is ready, so I'm going to drain the cauliflower and place it in my bowl so that it can cool. So my cauliflower has been cooling for around 2 minutes. I'm going to be using a masher to mash up my cauliflower and break it down. We're just trying to break it down. So if you don't have a masher, you can use a wooden spatula. Maybe it's going to help you out because we have already cooked the cauliflower. Cauliflower is one of those vegetables that is usually underrated. So most of the time when I cook, I add it in my stew. But today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a very nice snack from the cauliflower here. So everything is breaking down nicely. So this is how it's looking. As you can see, it has broken down into manageable sizes or small pieces of cauliflower. I'll be adding a few ingredients to my cauliflower. So I have coriander, I've chopped up 1 small onion, black pepper, salt, egg, and several spices, and you're going to find them in the description box down below. So because everything is nice, I am going to be adding in my coriander, some onions, then I'm going to crack in 1 egg. If you're making a lot of fritters, you can add in 2 eggs. Add in my spices, black pepper, some salt. So I'm going to add a small amount because I used salted water to boil my cauliflower, so I don't want to overwhelm that. And lastly, I'm going to add in flour. Use a spoon and mix everything together. So this is how it's looking. So while mixing, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium high flame, I've placed a pan and added the oil for shallow frying. So as I mix my ingredients into my cauliflower, I'm going to be waiting for my oil to be hot. Once you're done mixing in the flour, it should have a consistency that is not too wet. So I'm going to use my spoon and scoop out some of that cauliflower batter and place it in my pan. So it is that easy. You can use a cookie scoop also to or a spoon. It's going to give you even pieces of fritters. Cook the fritters for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Once ready, I'm going to flip, and they look so good. Just look at that golden brown color on top, and the turmeric has added even more color. So this is how they're looking, and I'm loving the aroma in the kitchen. So because I had boiled my cauliflower, it's going to take short time to cook the fritters, because yeah, there's nothing more to cook because the cauliflower is already cooked. So we're just frying and giving it that nice color. Once done, I'm going to place this in a paper towel to drain excess oil, and they look so delicious. And the last one, and then I'm going to add more butter. Smells so good. Gorgeous. This is just gorgeous to look at. It's been an amazing 15 minutes of making my cauliflower fritters, and they're looking so good, and they taste amazing because I've had one. So that is a very nice way to sneak in vegetables in your kids menu, and they will grow healthy even for you. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next one. Bye.